Welcome to the Undergraduate Bulletin's module on filters. The bulletin contains a lot of information, and there needed to be some way to work through that information efficiently. In particular, Penn State has more than 200 majors, minors, and certificates when all programs are combined together. A powerful filtering tool allows users of the bulletin to quickly sort through the wide-ranging programs and quickly create a shortened list that is more applicable to what an individual is hoping to see. Let's go to the filter page in the bulletin. The easiest way to access the filters is via the Programs tab in the navigation bar on the top of the page. When you select Programs, the bulletin asks you for either baccalaureate degree programs, associate degree programs, minors, or certificates. This is going to set the first level filter for you. Let's select baccalaureate degree programs. This directs you into the Programs page with the first filter, baccalaureate degree turned on. You can see what filters are active on the right side of the screen. Note that under degree type, baccalaureate degree is selected. You can always change the type of degree to match your needs, and you can combine types as well. If you want to add minors to the baccalaureate degrees, just click on minor, and they will both be displayed. To return to all programs, you can always click on reset options to erase all filters. Let's reset now and go back to baccalaureate degrees. The additional filter options are campus, interests, and college. Let's try adding a campus filter. Click on campus, and then click the box next to Greater Allegheny. If you roll your mouse over any of the majors, you'll notice that when Where Can I Complete This Program appears, Greater Allegheny will be listed. This campus filter is a great way to determine at what campuses a student can finish their major. It does not list all programs that can be started at a campus. Many Penn State students use a 2+2 program to complete a major. To see what majors are possible in a 2+2, first pick the desired finish campus and look at the majors available. Let's try Erie. If we select chemistry, we'll see that just beneath the picture is a button, at which campus can I study this program? Click the plus sign and you can see that begin campus is any Penn State campus, while finishing is at Erie. This is the only way to officially check for start campus. Okay, let's return to the filter page, reset the filters, and select baccalaureate degree. Let's try an interest search. Expand the interest box. You'll see a collection of varied interests. If you want to see majors that have some relationship to the interest area, just click the button next to it. Let's try food. You should see 11 majors on your screen. If you add another interest, it will add to the majors. The selection of 2 or more interests does not shrink the number of majors of interest, but rather adds on any majors that have at least one of the interests selected. So if you select food but then add plants, you'll still see the 11 majors we already had listed, plus an additional 12 new majors. Of the 23 total, 4 are actually from both categories. Interest searching is a great way to learn about what majors are available for students who are exploring or uncertain. This gives a broad look at what majors might have some relationship to your interest. Keep in mind, some majors are not obvious selections, which highlights the power of the interest filter. Let's reset filters one last time and turn on baccalaureate degree again. This time, use a college filter to select education. Much like any other filter, this will limit the list to those majors that are housed in the College of Education. Please be aware though, if a program can be finished at a campus, it is very often housed in the college of that campus. Thus, while a student can find elementary and early childhood education in the College of Education page, this would be a completion at University Park. However, a student can also find elementary education in the Capital College, which is housed at Penn State Harrisburg. You would need to select Penn State Harrisburg, the Capital College, to use the filter in this manner to see this particular major. The filters for the programs are a powerful tool that allows students, advisors, and faculty, plus anyone else investigating Penn State programs, to simply reduce the grand number of programs to something more manageable. By using a combination of filters, it's possible to reduce or enlarge the total number of programs that meet the criteria. Play with the filters, try different combinations. You can't break anything, we've tried. If you still have a question, please email bulletins@psu.edu.